Hello everyone, Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here to give you a quick look at some of the new devices, namely the Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, and Pixelbook Go that Google just announced in New York City. If you want more info on the Pixel Buds, Nest, or Stadia devices, be sure to stop by the site and check out that coverage. What you see in my hand right now is the Pixel 4, but both new models are based on the Snapdragon 855 processor and have 6 gigs of memory paired with 64 or 128 gigs of storage. The smaller Pixel 4 has a 2800 mAh battery though, while the larger XL has a 3700 mAh battery. Obviously the screens are different too. The Pixel 4 has a 5.7-inch FHD Plus display, while the Pixel 4 XL has a sharper 6.3-inch QHD Plus screen, but both are 90Hz capable OLEDs and they look great. Here's a quick look at the right side of the Pixel 4. You'll notice that colorful power button and a stealth volume rocker below it. Hopefully that shows on video. And on the left, all you'll find is the SIM tray. On the top of the Pixel 4 is a microphone port, and on the bottom are a couple of speaker cutouts and a USB-C port. If we flip things over to the back, you can see the dual camera and flash array and a bump out at the top corner. The primary camera has a 16 megapixel sensor with an f2.4 aperture, phase detection autofocus, 52-degree field of view, and optical and electronic image stabilization. And then there's the 12.2 megapixel wide-angle sensor with f1.7 aperture, 77-degree field of view, also with similar stabilization, and dual-pixel phase detection autofocus. Around the front, there's an 8 megapixel sensor with an f2 aperture and 90-degree field of view for selfies. There are a number of new features integrated into these latest Pixels, including a streamlined Google Assistant interface, radar-based motion sense, which enables quick gestures that allow you to interact with the device just by waving your hand above the screen. There's actually a little sensor next to the selfie camera. In addition, the devices feature a custom neural core, which accelerates these features like motion sense, face unlock, and the Google Assistant. And here's a quick glance at the larger Pixel 4 XL in my hand. As mentioned, except for the screen and battery, features are basically the same. The layout of the phone is just like the Pixel 4. This guy's just a little bit bigger. And here's a quick look at the Pixelbook Go. The 13.3-inch Pixelbook Go is based on Intel's latest mobile processor technology. It will be available with FHD or 4K displays, up to 16 gigs of memory, and it's designed to be a more affordable Pixelbook for the masses. As you can see, the Pixelbook Go is nice and thin. Here on the right side, you'll notice those smooth rounded edges and a single USB-C port. Over on the left, there's another USB-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack. Pixelbook Go is lightweight at about 2 pounds and well balanced. The hinge moves easily with one hand, and the bottom is also textured for easy gripping. That about wraps things up for now. Pixel 4 devices start at $700 for 64GB models and top out at $999 for a 128GB XL, and the Pixelbook Go arrives starting at $649. We hope you've dug this quick look at Google's latest goodies. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that reminder bell so you know when we go live or post new content. Once again, this is Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware. Thanks for stopping by.